I'm going to show you how to submit this practice assignment on Canvas. So before, when you had a writing assignment on Canvas, you would click Submit Assignment and then you would type your assignment directly into Canvas. This time is different. You are going to type your assignment first on Microsoft Word or on Google Docs, okay? So if you're going to use Microsoft Word, it looks like this, blue W. A lot of computers have that, so you can click on that if you have it. Open up a blank document. Here you're going to type your paper, whatever it is. Always put your heading, right? So your name. Date. The class. Then remember, if you want to center space, use this button here and you can put the title, my practice paper. And then I'm going to click this again to go to the left, and I'm going to tab to start my paragraph. Then I'm going to type my paragraph. Of course, it's just my practice paragraph, so I'm being kind of silly, right? So imagine that I'm finished. Remember that you always want to double space, so I'm going to click all of this, and I'm going to hit this button right here and double space. That gave me a little more space than I wanted. There we go. Okay, so then I'm going to save this document. Here's the save button. I'm going to give it a title. And then I'm going to put it on my desktop so it's easy for me to find it. I don't want to lose it. And then I'm going to hit save. Okay, so I'm going to close this. And then I'm going to go back to Canvas. Now I'm going to hit Submit Assignment. And down here it gives me choices. File upload, Studio, or Google Drive. Since I typed this in Microsoft Word, I'm going to use File Upload. I'm going to go choose File. I'm going to go to my desktop because that's where I put it. I'm going to find my practice paragraph. I'm going to click Open. And then, important last step, Submit Assignment. If I am successful, it will take a minute, and then I will see right here, submitted. So that means that I have done it. Okay? So this is if I have Microsoft Word. A lot of people don't have Microsoft Word. So what can they do? They can go to Google. So if you have a Gmail account, then you have a Google account. You can start with your email if you want to, and then go to Google Drive. From Google Drive, you're going to click New Google Doc, and now it's going to look a lot like Microsoft Word, right? So you're going to do the same things. So I have my practice paper again here. On Google Drive, you don't need to click Save. There's no saving. It saves automatically. So all you need to do is click up here where it says Untitled Document, and you have to give your paragraph a name. Okay, so now I have tabs. This is called a tab and a tab and a tab. So now I don't need this anymore. I can close my tab, but I don't have to. I'm going to go back to submitting a document. So if this was my first time, it will say submit. Now it says resubmit because I'm doing it for a second time. I'm going to click here. Now, since it's a Google Drive document, I'm going to go over here to Google. It won't let me show you all the steps because I'm a teacher, not a student, but it's the same thing here where you find your document on Google and then you click upload. Okay, so hopefully you won't have any trouble with that. Just remember, if you do a Google Doc, you need to use Google Drive. If you use a Word document, you have to use File Upload. Please don't use something different like Pages or text notes or something like that. I won't be able to see your paper. All right, I hope that helped and good luck.